YouTube, subscribe to Embark 1259. European Union seafarers, we have ships with Italian flag starting €2,800, AB, Roro, trade Mediterranean, very close to your family. In Candina, we are a family company, 126-year-old. Now, the fifth generation already starting training in the company, fifth generation family company. So we really are looking forward to have this really pleasure of providing ESG, corporate social responsible, transparent, local employment, local family, local European Union. But we also have Greek flag bunkers, yes, starting €2,700. Perhaps we have Spanish or we have any other nationalities. But we also starting ratings, bulk carrier containers, Latinos. But we are open to any other nationalities, and we will automate reply, send to you emails about the ship owner formats and blah blah. Also, we are starting the offshore sector because some Indian sims have really not gotten the right certificates, and then they're asking for Latinos, and they're asking for Candina to expand in the offshore side. So if you are European and or Ukrainian and or any nationality, and you look forward to really get a job that is very close to your family and close to our heart, and a family company like Candina, we look after you. Please apply urgently and subscribe to YouTube channel. We will be providing all the different opportunities, either for Roros or for containers or bulk carriers. And then ship owners today are really giving more ships to Candina and expanding. Why? Because we are a family company. The surviving ship owners, most of them come from families because they are resilient. And therefore today we have the fifth generation young Candina member working, starting in the office. So indeed it's 126 years of happiness, and looking forward having you subscribe and also co-inspect or apply. We will get in touch with you very fast to get the company formats and so on, and compliance for interviews and that. So thank you very much indeed. All the best, good cheese and good health. Bye.